Building bricks plus a train with an app that makes it go? We know your little conductor is going to be all aboard the Lego Duplo Steam Train. The Duplo Steam Train set features a push-to-go engine and rail car, a track, and a station, as well as other parts that allow kids to build and transform as far as their imaginations will take them.
Every day.
Plus, this train can run off the track too. Kids can up the fun by connecting the steam train to the Lego Duplo Connected Train app. The animated conductor reacts as your kid controls the train, tipping his cap as you move ahead, clapping as the whistle blows, or trying to maintain his balance when you reverse the direction. And because riding the rails is hard work, the happy conductor might need a snack or two, a fun feature that will delight little kids. Assembling toys isn't always easy, but this one goes together quickly and without much fuss. Kids will pick up on how the parts go together to create a station, track, tree, and more. Colorful action bricks turn on sounds and lights and control the train's movements. And they can be placed anywhere on the track and moved around very easily. A toy for preschoolers needs to stand up to rough and tumble play, and the Lego Duplo Steam Train does. Whether your kid runs it off the couch or down a set of stairs, the parts snap back together, and in no time, it's ready to ride the rails again.